In today's 2-minute tip, we're going to talk about fishing up against trees or other heavy structure. Welcome, my name's Captain Chris Myers, Central Florida Sight Fishing Charters, full-time fishing guide down here in Florida. We're going to talk about getting to those fish that are up against tree lines, or you can use this technique for any other heavy structure. But all throughout Florida, you can find mangrove-lined shorelines where a fish will be up underneath the branches, hiding in these little pockets, where if you cannot get your bait up in there, they rarely will come out to get it. So the secret is we have to give it to them where they're looking for the food, and I'm going to use something rigged weedless like this 3-inch DOA cal with a worm hook. You won't get as good a hookup ratio, but it keeps you out of all the hidden branches in the water, and if it does get up in the trees, it's much easier to retrieve. A couple parts of this puzzle. One is I need a cast that can get up to those fish. I'm going to have a much shorter piece of line outside the tip. I'm going to throw with my rod tip just as I was skipping a stone along the water. It skips, bounces across the surface, goes right up in those trees. The final part is I have to have a break. It's that same finger that was holding the line before the cast needs to be stopping that line, stopping my bait from going where I don't want it. If I accidentally make a cast that's going up in the tree, I can put my finger on there and I don't have to go up in those trees to get my lure back. When we're missing, we should be missing close to the water. It shouldn't be up top in the trees, so there's no overhand casts I'm going to make. There's no casts that go up in a big rainbow. All these casts stay really close to the water and they skip right up next to those trees. Work on that cast, get yourself a break, and you'll be reaching fish where they live.